Folks, the true godfather of the tech industry, the man who taught the world how to be professional, the legend who kept Silicon Valley's giants on their toes for years, isn't resting in the shadows anymore. He has risen from the ashes. But hold your breath, this isn't just some basic comeback. This time, he's packing a beast that is making Apple engineers sweat, even in the dead of winter, and has triggered a red alert at Samsung HQ. Get ready, because BlackBerry is officially back. The smartphone they are about to drop isn't just a phone, it's a piece of tech straight out of a time machine. Introducing the BlackBerry Titan 5G. Strap in, because the biggest storm in tech history is about to make landfall. Design and display. Let's talk looks. Forget those old school BlackBerry days of tapping away on physical keys. Boss, BlackBerry has officially retired the physical keyboard for good. Why? To give you a display that looks like it was plucked right out of 2050. We're talking about a massive 6.75-inch 4K micro OLED panel. The colors are so crisp and realistic that if you see a water droplet on the screen, you'll reach out to wipe it off. In the back panel, no cheap plastic or flimsy glass here. It's built with aviation-grade carbon fiber, the same material used in fighter jets. It's got that rockstar premium feel, and it's so durable that even a hammer would think twice before striking it. Holding this isn't just holding a phone, it's holding a weapon of mass productivity. Camera setup. Now, let's get into the feature that's setting the internet on fire, the camera. On the back, you're getting a lethal triple camera setup. No gimmicks, just pure power. The primary shooter is a 200-megapixel ultra-vision lens with the world's widest f1.2 variable aperture. At 2 a.m., in pitch darkness, it'll snap a photo that looks like high noon. You've got a 50-megapixel ultra-wide for those cinematic landscapes, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens that lets you zoom in so far, you can practically count the eyelashes on a bird sitting on a distant branch. Put your $2,000 DSLR in the closet, you're now carrying a Hollywood studio in your pocket. Plus, for the creators, there's a 50-megapixel AI front camera that's going to take your Reels and TikToks to the next level. Performance. Now, for the brain of this beast. Under the hood, it's powered by a Quantum Snapdragon chipset. This processor wasn't designed, it was engineered in a state of pure madness. And to fuel that fire, you get 16 GB of lightning-fast LPDDR6 RAM. You could run 50 apps in the background, edit 4K video, and play high-intensity games and this phone wouldn't even break a sweat. It's a 5G-ready monster. While the rest of the world is dealing with lag and buffering, you'll be surfing the web at the speed of thought. The word lag literally doesn't exist in this phone's dictionary. Battery life. A monster needs monster power. BlackBerry hasn't cut any corners here. We're looking at a 6500 mAh graphene battery. You heard that right, graphene. No overheating, no degradation, just pure, safe, endless energy. And in the box, a 120-watt hypercharger. By the time you finish your morning coffee, this beast is charged from 0 to 100%. One full charge lasts you 3 days. Period. Price and availability. Now, the million-dollar question: what's the damage to your wallet? Prepare yourselves, this flagship king is expected to land at around $1,200. It's not cheap, but for this level of tech, power, and absolute swagger, every single cent is worth it. Mark your calendars. This storm is set to hit the global tech market in the last week of December 2026. So, ladies and gentlemen, the verdict is yours. Is BlackBerry about to snatch the crown back from Apple and Samsung with the Titan 5G? Are you ready to ditch your iPhone and make this beast your daily driver? Drop a comment below and keep it real. I want to hear your thoughts.